Hand grenade. Let's start with the classic, the hand grenade. It's small, portable, and designed to explode just a few seconds after you pull the pin. Most grenades use fragmentation. That means the metal shell breaks apart and spreads sharp pieces everywhere. Soldiers throw them into bunkers behind cover or into tight rooms. It's not super powerful compared to larger bombs, but in close range, deadly. Simple, fast, and still used in combat today. Molotov cocktail. This one's not military grade, but it works. A glass bottle filled with flammable liquid and a cloth wick. You light it, throw it, and when it breaks, fire spreads fast. It's used more in riots or guerrilla warfare than on battlefields. Compared to a grenade, it's easier to make, but less predictable. And way messier, pipe bomb. Now we're getting into dangerous DIY territory. A pipe bomb is an improvised explosive, usually made from a sealed metal pipe packed with powder. When it explodes, the metal casing turns into deadly shrapnel. It's small but extremely risky, especially because they're often unstable. Unlike a grenade, it has no safety design. One bump in the wrong place, boom. IED. IEDs can be made from anything: wires, phones, batteries, pressure plates. They're often hidden on roadsides or inside cars. Some are as weak as a firecracker. Others can destroy tanks. They're unpredictable, deadly, and have changed modern warfare. And unlike pipe bombs, IEDs are designed to trick you. Dynamite. Invented by Alfred Nobel, yep, the guy behind the Peace Prize. It uses nitroglycerin absorbed in clay to make it more stable. Originally made for mining and construction, but yeah, people also used it in wars. It's strong, controlled, and reliable. Compared to IEDs or Molotovs, dynamite is professional. TNT. TNT sounds similar to dynamite, but they're different. TNT is a chemical compound, more stable and safer to store than nitroglycerin-based explosives. You can literally hit it with a hammer and it won't go off. It needs a detonator, which makes it useful in the military. TNT packs serious power, and it was used heavily in World War II. Unlike dynamite, it's purely synthetic. No clay, no mess. Thermite. This one's not about explosions, it's about heat. Thermite is a mix of powdered aluminum and iron oxide. Once ignited, it burns hotter than 2000 degrees Celsius and melts through metal. People use it to weld train tracks, or in military operations to destroy gear. You won't hear a boom, but you'll see sparks and smoke. Think of it like the silent assassin of explosives. C4, a plastic explosive. Flexible, moldable, and surprisingly safe to handle. You can literally bounce it on the ground. It won't explode unless there's a detonator. Soldiers love it for precise destruction. Doors, walls, vehicles. It's more powerful than TNT in terms of controlled blasts. If grenades are the pistol of explosives, C4 is the scalpel. Sharp, focused, deadly. Satchel charge. This one's basically a big bag of boom. Satchel charges are explosive packs carried in bags, used to destroy bunkers, bridges, or tanks. It's heavy, not subtle, and definitely not for throwing. Used during World War II and still relevant in certain tactical missions. Compared to C4, it's bulkier but more powerful in raw force. Landmine, a silent killer, buried underground, triggered by pressure or wires. When stepped on, it explodes, injuring or killing whoever triggered it. Some blast upward, some sideways. What makes them terrifying is they stay active for years. C4 waits for you to tell it when, landmines don't. RPG, it's basically a rocket launcher that fires an explosive warhead. RPGs are great for hitting vehicles or fortified enemies. They're cheap, easy to use, and incredibly dangerous. Compared to landmines, RPGs are loud, mobile, and in your face. Depth charge. Now we go underwater. Depth charges are anti-submarine weapons dropped into the ocean. They don't hit the submarine directly. They explode near it, using pressure waves to crush it. Modern versions can be guided and more precise. They're like underwater landmines, but faster and meaner. Fuel air bomb. These bombs spray a mist of fuel into the air, then ignite it. The result? A massive fireball and a shockwave that sucks out oxygen. They're designed to destroy bunkers and wipe out enclosed spaces. More powerful than TNT or C4, but still not the biggest. MOAB. Official name, GBU-43. B Massive Ordnance Air Blast. Unofficial name, MOAB. This is the most powerful non-nuclear bomb ever used by the US military. Dropped from a plane, it flattens everything within hundreds of meters. It's C4 and TNT's older, angrier cousin. And no, you don't throw this one. Nuclear bomb. Now we reach the top. A nuclear bomb doesn't just explode, it releases energy by splitting atoms. That's millions of times more powerful than TNT. The blast from Hiroshima and Nagasaki changed history, and the radiation lasts for years. No other bomb compares. Nothing even comes close. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and leave your comments. See you in the new video.